What is up, engineers? Welcome to another 5 minute Fridays with engineers. And in this video, we're gonna be treating or diving into how to draw a slab with strips, how to draw a slab detail with strip. And before we dive into the system, I got to do something. So hello everyone, my name is Faiz and welcome to my channel. And in this video, we're gonna be drawing showing you how to detail a slab, which is very simple, and I have here on my system. And if you're here to this channel, I just want you to subscribe and like, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and it gives me this kind of feelings to post more videos in depth. So here we're on the system, and I actually did this. I have a much more something here. So here on the system, I have a kind of a much more slab which you can actually design with, but I just prefer explaining everything to you here. Now this is a slab panel one, and then this is another panel, 3, 2 to 5, the centers as engineer. That is how we detail our thing. So here we have the bottom reinforcement, and spanning from ear to ear, and here you also have a bottom reinforcement spanning from ear to ear, and then ear to ear. So this one is spanning from ear to ear, and then here we have the bottom reinforcement. Now the reason why we're having the bottom reinforcement there is because this is a continuous beam, and then this is a discontinuous beam, discontinuous, slab, slab, continuous. So the thing we have to do now is me showing you how to detail this. Now, the thing we actually need to know now is to know the number of reinforcements that will be in each panel. So from ear to ear, considering the cover of the slab, let's bring out a calculator. So for the bottom reinforcement, we make use of 200 center to center. So we got to do 2900 divided by 200. What is 14? So here it means we are having 14 of y12. You know what is wrong. So it means we're actually having 14 y12 here and 14 y12 here, and then we can say 14. Let's try to clean this. Okay, let's try to clean this. So 14 in two places, we have 28. So which means we are having 28 of y12 here. So let's change it to 28, and then we can come here and change it to 28. Oh, sorry, 14, and then here we can change it to 14 also. So that is that, and since here is 3, since here 2 is 29, which means we are actually gonna be having 14 of this too. 14, and then 14 here also for the top. So we can now delete this, and then we can actually delete this also. So knowing the number of the top distribution that will be needed, knowing the length in which the top distribution we use to get into the other slab, it is just the center, the 2 to 5 center here multiplied by 0.3. Anything it gives us, which is giving me 294 point something, would I round up to 2925. Okay, so let's try to do that, which is 92925 divided by 250. So we are actually having 3 of that there, which is ed. Let's try to edit it. So we're having a 3 here, 3, and here we're actually having 3 here also. So we can actually clean this, and then we can just call for for more detail for the tops there. So we can actually do this and then try to match this. No. So we can try to match this, and then we can just try to call this also. So anyhow, so this is actually what we're gonna be doing now. So let's do this. Since this is for the top, we can actually try to mirror this. MI. We can just try to copy this, and then we'll be needing 3 of that, because we're cranking here by 600, so 600 divided by 2 is 3. So let's try to edit that and then put 3 for our top. So this one is gonna be 14, and then this is also gonna be 14. So 14 plus 3, 14, what is 17? So let's try to come and edit this to 17 too. So that is it, guys. So hope you actually learned a lot from this, and hope you gained a lot. So if you're just new to this channel and you actually want everything to move smooth, I want you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, so that whenever I post new tutorials like this, you get notified, and you can just be part of this family, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So next time we're gonna meet here Fridays for the 5 minutes with engineers, and anytime we get to drop videos like this, because I know it helps you a lot. So everything is moving fine. Love you.